guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you on how to tie the butterfly gele. Yes, there's this new butterfly gele that just ends in front. A lot of people have been asking me, how do you tie this gele? So I'm going to show you on how to tie the latest butterfly gele. And I have with me my niece. She has a party to attend, and also have a party to attend. That's why I'm dressed like that. You see my dressing. So I'll be showing you on how to tie the butterfly gele. You divide it into two equal parts. That's your gele. You are showing. Can you see mine? They're in two equal parts. 50-50, you take it all the way from the front, you take it to the back. I want to ensure that it's 50-50. And holding like 2 inches, can you see? Then you're going to turn the 50-50. The one is really good. Bring it back to the front. Make sure your feet are well secured. Then you bring the first 50. This is my first 50. I'm bringing it to the front. So I'm also ensuring that I'm putting my feet. You put your feet as you're bringing it. Now I'm going to start my fan now. That side part. So I used to be a slanted line in this one. Before that, there's no beauty to the adjust it. That's the beauty, gongo. That's the main thing. So you adjust. I'm going to put a rose in front. Let me make sure this is well secured a little bit. Twist it, and create my rose. Yes. So she gets to that party and will be like, wow, that's the right there. So I'm putting the rose to add to the beads. Wow, okay, they said we are ready for the party.
Yes, so we are ready for the party. So we are
Can't wait.
Can't wait for the party.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Daddy. So thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. And please, if you not subscribe, go right now. Click that button, subscribe, and that notification button. Follow us on our different platforms, Ojulewa Studio on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter. Can't wait to see you next time. I love you so much. Be good to yourself. Bye-bye.